Do you need a new key fob like this for your VW Routan or lots of other Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge vehicles that use fobs like this? Well, I'm Mike with Tomahawk DIY. I want to show you how the Simple Key programming kit from tomskey.com can show you how to make a new key fob for your vehicle super fast. Let me show you how it's done. If you want to save tons of money over the cost dealerships charge for new key fobs, smash the like button and keep watching the video to see how the Simple Key programming works. Now, if your key fob has slightly different button configurations, I want to point out that there's an additional cover included inside, so you have two different button configurations per package. Now here's my working fob. Notice it's got the tile key finder. You might want to pick some of these up from our website as well. It pairs with your smartphone, and then you can always find your keys in case they get lost. And the one without the tile is the one we're going to program today. So let me show you. This one doesn't start the vehicle. The buttons don't work. This one over here works just great. Starts the vehicle nicely. Inside the box there will be the Simple Key programming device. Now once you remove this sticker, it will be paired to your vehicle when you plug it in to the OBD2 port. So you can use this device to program up to 8 keys per vehicle, but it will be paired specific to your vehicle VIN number, so you can't use it on other vehicles. Now to begin, you want to look in the user guide and find your particular vehicle. In this case, we're doing a Volkswagen Routan 2012, and I see there's a primary activation code of 311, an alternate activation code of 312, and a primary dial position of number 3. You need to take the Simple Key programming device and turn it to point to number 3, just like that. For any keys that come in the box, you'll need to go through activation. If you've bought some loose keys, they may or may not require activation. You'll know it requires the activation code to be entered when you push lock and panic together, and a little blue light turns on right there. To enter the activation code, after you've got the blue light turned on solid, you enter it using the lock button first. So in our case, it was 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the panic for the second digit, 1. Unlock for the third digit, 1. Once you've entered the code, press panic and lock again, and it will blink back the code you've entered. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Okay, so we've entered the code correctly. Now remember, on my vehicle there is a primary and an alternate activation code, so if it doesn't work with the primary one, then we're going to try activating with the alternate. We've already looked up and set our programmer to dial position number 3, which is appropriate for our vehicle. Vehicle's in park, engine's off, you turn the hazard lights on. Now it's important to note there are some timing sensitivities in the programming process, so pay attention to anything about time durations. So we're going to turn the engine on and then reach down low and plug in the programmer to the OBD2 port. As you plug it in, you'll hear it beep. Okay, when that little tone sound has been made, it lets you know it's communicated properly with your vehicle and is ready for the programming process. You can turn the ignition off and pull out the original key. We need to take the new key and insert it into the ignition and turn it to the on or run position. That's the second click over, but the engine has not started. Then the next step is to press the button on the top of the Simple Key programmer. Okay, and then it chimed. We heard the vehicle make a beep. Those 3 beeps, we'll turn it off, remove the key. Now we need to press the install button again. Okay, that little chime indicates that it paired successfully. So we can now turn off the emergencies, unplug the programming device, and And let's test the key. There. Can it get any easier to program your new key for your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and VW Routan vehicles? There's a whole list on the side of the box. We cover many year, make, and models. Okay, watch the lock in the background. Lock. Panic works. Unlock. Here's the old one. Lock. Panic. Unlock. Don't forget to cut the emergency key blade. To avoid the hassle of finding a car dealership or locksmith to cut the key, you can order our optional Key by Photos key cutting service. After placing your order, simply upload 3 photos, and with the wonders of technology, we'll cut your key before shipping so it arrives ready to fit your vehicle. Well, that's how easy it is to make yourself a new fob using the Simple Key Programming Kit from tomskey.com. Go visit our website, pick it up today, we'll ship it out quick, you'll have it in a few days and be able to make yourself a new key fob just as easy as that. Now if you run into problems, there's a frequently asked questions section. Be sure to check that out. Now if somehow you still can't get it to work, never fear. At Tom's Key Company, we aim to provide excellent customer service. Email us, help@tomskey.com. We stand by our products with a money-back guarantee. So if nothing works, you can put it all back in the original packaging with the key and the programmer, ship it back to us, and we'll refund your money. You're not out a dime. How's that for a guarantee that our product's going to work for you? We also appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe. It helps YouTube know that we're making quality content that helps people get new key fobs for their vehicle. Thanks and have a great day.